Hello guys! Welcome to lesson 42 of the MANABU online textbook. We have separate videos of the grammar lessons on our YouTube channel, so please check them out for you to understand more about today's lesson. So let's get started. Lesson 42 Sentence Patterns. Let's read sentence pattern number 1. 将来自分の店を持つために貯金しています。将来自分の店を持つために貯金しています。The pattern used in this sentence is verb dictionary form ために. So the verb dictionary form ために can be translated as for the sake of verb. Or you can also use nouns. Noun no ために for the sake of noun. Then verb to. So in this sentence, 将来自分の店を持つために. So ために means in order to or for the sake of. 将来 future 自分の店 my own shop. 自分の店 my own shop or your own shop. 持つ so 店を持つ means to have your own shop. 持つために in order to have my own shop. Verb 2 is 貯金しています I'm saving money. And later we will have more example sentences about this sentence pattern. And now let's proceed to sentence pattern number 2. この靴は山を歩くのにいいです。この靴は山を歩くのにいいです。And the pattern used in this sentence is verb dictionary form のに. Verb dictionary form のに. And you can also use nouns. Noun, then ni, without using the no. Noun ni. Then the verb dictionary form のに or the noun ni are often used with the verb 使います いいです and 便利です or 役に立ちます and 時間がかかります So later we will see example sentences how to use this verb dictionary form のに So この靴は this shoe 山を歩く So 山を歩く means to walk in the mountains のにいいです These shoes or this shoe いいです is good for 歩くのに This shoe is good for walking in the mountains. So now let's look at more example sentences about these two sentence patterns. Example sentence number 1. 盆踊りに参加するために毎日練習しています。So, 盆踊りに参加する This means to participate in 盆踊り The 盆踊り means 盆 dances. So, 参加するために because I am or in a sense that because I am participating in the 盆 dances or for the sake of participating in the 盆 dances 毎日練習しています I'm practicing every day. Then, そうですか楽しみですね Are you? That's interesting, isn't it? So once again, as I said earlier, verb dictionary form ために for the sake of this verb or because of this verb because I will do this verb or in order to do this verb the verb dictionary form ために then verb 2 in this sentence 毎日練習しています I'm practicing every day in order to do this verb in order to participate in the Bon dances. Example sentence number 2. なぜ一人で山に登るんですか Why do you go climbing the mountains on your own? 一人になって to be alone 考える means 考える literally means to think So, 一人になって考える To be alone and meditate ために In order to do this verb In order to be alone and meditate 山に行くんです I go to the mountains Number 3健康のために何かしていますかいいえでも来週から毎朝走ろうと思っています So, 健康のために So, as I mentioned earlier, the noun no ために for the sake of noun. So, 健康のために for my health, for the sake of my health. Nani ka shiteimasu ka? So nani ka means something and shiteimasu. Are you doing something or are you doing anything for the sake of your health or for your health? Iie, no, I'm not. Demo, but raishu kara, starting next week. Mai asa, every morning, hashiro to omotteimasu. I'm thinking about of going jogging every morning. Example sentence number 4. Kirei na kyoku desu ne. Eriza no tami ni desu yo. Beethoven ga aru onna no hito no tami ni tsukutta kyoku desu. So, kirei na kyoku desu ne is a beautiful piece. A piece or a music. Eriza no tami ni, for Elise. Desu yo is for Elise. Beethoven ga aru onna no hito no tami ni, for the sake of a woman or for a woman. Onna no hito no tami ni. Tsukutta kyoko desu. Beethoven ga tsukutta kyoko desu. Beethoven made this song or music. Aru onna no hito no tami ni, for the sake of a woman or a certain woman. Example sentence number 5. Kore wa nani ni tsukaun desu ka? Wine o akeru no ni tsukaimasu. So, kore wa, this one, or this, nani ni, for what? Tsukaun desu ka? Tsukaun, from the verb tsukaimasu, to use. What is this used for? Wine o akeru, so to open a wine. Then, no ni, for opening a wine, tsukaimasu. This is used for opening a wine. Example sentence number 6. 2日3日の出張にいいカバンがありますか？こちらはいかがですか？パソコンも入って便利ですよ。So, 2日3日 2 or 3 days. 出張に for business trip. いいカバン a nice bag がありますか？いいカバンがありますか？ Do you have a nice bag? Suitable for 2 or 3 days business trip. こちらはいかがですか？ How about this one? パソコンも入って便利ですよ。So, パソコンも入って you can also put in laptops. 便利ですよ and it's so convenient. Example sentence number 7. この橋を作るのに何年かかりましたか？ 10年かかりました。So, この橋を作る making of this bridge のに何年かかりましたか？ How many years did it take? この橋を作るのに in making of this bridge. He answered, 12年かかりました。It took 12 years. So as I mentioned earlier, after the verb dictionary form no ni, you can use the 便利です、tsukaimasu, 役に立ちます、いいです or 時間がかかります。So now guys, let's watch the conversation video. バンさん、ボーナスはいつ出るんですか？
来週です。ジェフさんの会社は？
明日です。楽しみですね。
ジェフさんは何に使いますか？
まず、新しい自転車を買って、それから旅行に行って、
貯金はしないんですか？
僕はあまり考えたことありませんね。
私は半分は貯金するつもりです。
半分の貯金するんですか？
イギリスへ留学しようと思っているんです。
独身の人はいいですね。全部自分のために考えて、私は家のローンを払って子供の教育のために貯金したらほとんど残りませんよ。Lesson 42 Exercise A. Let's read number 1. 家を買うために一生懸命働きます。So, 家を買う from the verb 買います。Dictionary form is 買う。ために to buy a house. Ishokenmei hatarakimasu. I'm working really hard. Next line. Kaisha o tsukuru tame ni ishokenmei hatarakimasu. Kaisha o tsukuru, to make my own company. Tame ni, to make my own company. Ishokenmei hatarakimasu. I work really hard. Next line. Shourai no tame ni, for my future or for the sake of my future. Ishokenmei hatarakimasu. I work really hard. Next line. Kazoku no tame ni, for the sake of my family. Ishokenmei hatarakimasu. I'm working really hard. Number 2. Kono kaban wa e o hakobu no ni tsukaimasu. So, kono kaban wa, this bag, e o hakobu no ni, for carrying pictures or paintings. Tsukaimasu. This bag is used for carrying paintings. Next line. Kono kaban wa shuchou ni tsukaimasu. So these sentences are using the noun ni, then tsukaimasu. Kono kaban wa shuchou ni tsukaimasu. This bag is used for business trips. Shuchou ni. Next line. Kono kaban wa pasokon o irero no ni ii desu. This bag is good. Kono kaban wa ii desu. Good for pasokon o ireru no ni. So pasokon o ireru means to put in laptops. So it means that this bag is good for carrying laptops. Next line. Kono kaban wa ryoko ni ii desu. Kono kaban wa ryoko ni ii desu. This bag, ii desu, is good for ryoko ni, for traveling. Number 3. Ii o tatero no ni 20,000 yen kakarimasu. 20,000 yen kakarimasu means it takes 20 million yen. Ii o tatero no ni, in building a house. Next line. Hikoshi ni 2 kakarimasu. So hikoshi ni, in transferring or moving out, transferring to another house. 2 kakarimasu. It takes 2 days. So that's all for this lesson, guys. Make sure to watch my grammar lesson videos on our YouTube channel for you to understand more about today's lesson. So see you guys again next time. Mata ne!